10 warning signs of low oxygen in your blood. Hypoxemia. What you need to know. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 10 warning signs that your blood might not be carrying enough oxygen to your body's tissues. Oxygen is essential for every cell in your body, fueling your organs and maintaining overall health. But what happens when oxygen levels drop? Have you ever felt out of breath while sitting still? Experienced fatigue despite getting enough rest? These could be signs of hypoxemia, a condition where oxygen levels in your blood are too low. Left untreated, it can affect your brain, heart, and muscles, leading to severe complications. Let's dive into the top 10 symptoms of low blood oxygen and what they mean for your health. A quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical advice promptly. 1. Shortness of breath. Dyspnea. Have you ever felt out of breath even when sitting still? Shortness of breath, or dyspnea, occurs when your body isn't receiving enough oxygen, making breathing feel difficult or labored. Normally, your lungs transfer oxygen to the bloodstream, but conditions like lung disease, heart problems, anemia, or high altitudes can disrupt this process. As a response, your brain signals you to breathe faster and deeper to compensate. Common signs include tightness in the chest, rapid breathing, or the feeling of suffocation. If dyspnea occurs suddenly, worsens over time, or is accompanied by chest pain, dizziness, or bluish lips, seek immediate medical attention. To improve breathing, practice deep breathing exercises, maintain good posture, and ensure a clean air environment. However, persistent shortness of breath may indicate a serious underlying condition, so consulting a doctor for proper evaluation is essential. 2. Rapid breathing. Hyperventilation. Have you ever noticed yourself breathing rapidly even when you're at rest? Rapid breathing, or hyperventilation, happens when the body tries to compensate for low oxygen levels by increasing breathing rate and depth. While this response can be helpful in situations like exercise, it can become problematic if triggered by lung disease, anxiety, infections, or metabolic imbalances. When hyperventilation persists, it can lead to dizziness, tingling in the hands or around the mouth, confusion, and even fainting due to excessive carbon dioxide loss. If left unchecked, it may worsen oxygen delivery to the tissues, making symptoms more severe. To manage it, try slow, controlled breathing, breathing into a paper bag for anxiety-induced cases, or seeking fresh air. However, if rapid breathing occurs frequently or alongside chest pain, severe shortness of breath, or weakness, consult a doctor immediately, as it may signal a serious medical issue. 3. Persistent fatigue and weakness. Do you often feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Persistent fatigue and weakness can be a sign that your body isn't getting enough oxygen. Oxygen is essential for energy production in cells, and when levels are low, your muscles and organs struggle to function properly. This can be caused by lung disease, anemia, heart conditions, or poor circulation, preventing adequate oxygen delivery. People with low oxygen levels often experience constant tiredness, muscle weakness, dizziness, difficulty concentrating, and shortness of breath with minimal effort. Over time, untreated fatigue can impact daily activities and overall well-being. To combat this, ensure a balanced diet rich in iron and vitamins, regular exercise, and proper hydration. However, if fatigue persists despite rest or is accompanied by breathing difficulties, chest pain, or confusion, seek medical attention promptly, as it may indicate a more serious underlying condition requiring immediate care. 4. Headaches, especially in the morning. Do you often wake up with a headache that gradually improves throughout the day? Morning headaches can be a sign of low oxygen levels in your blood, especially if accompanied by fatigue, dizziness, or difficulty concentrating. At night, shallow breathing or conditions like sleep apnea, lung disease, or poor circulation can reduce oxygen intake, leading to a buildup of carbon dioxide in the blood, which dilates blood vessels and triggers headaches. These headaches may feel dull, throbbing, or pressure-like, often worsening with poor sleep quality. High altitudes, anemia, and certain heart or lung conditions can also contribute to this issue. To improve oxygen levels, focus on good sleep posture, staying hydrated, and ensuring proper ventilation while sleeping. If morning headaches persist or are accompanied by shortness of breath, confusion, or blue-tinted skin, consult a doctor to rule out serious underlying health problems. 5. Bluish skin or lip cyanosis. Have you ever noticed your lips or fingertips turning blue or purple? This condition, known as cyanosis, occurs when oxygen levels in the blood drop to low, causing hemoglobin to appear darker in color. It often affects the lips, nails, and extremities, especially in cold temperatures, but persistent cyanosis may indicate serious health issues like lung disease, heart failure, blood circulation problems, or high-altitude exposure. Mild cases may resolve with warming up, deep breathing, or improving air circulation, but if cyanosis appears suddenly or is accompanied by shortness of breath, confusion, or chest pain, seek emergency medical attention immediately. It could signal a life-threatening condition such as pulmonary embolism or severe respiratory distress. To prevent oxygen deprivation, maintain good cardiovascular health, avoid smoking, and address any underlying respiratory or circulatory conditions with professional medical care. 6. Chest pain or tightness. Do you ever feel an uncomfortable tightness, pressure, or pain in your chest? This could be a warning sign that your heart and lungs aren't receiving enough oxygen. When oxygen levels drop, the heart must work harder to pump blood, potentially leading to angina chest pain caused by reduced blood flow, heart strain, or even a heart attack. Lung conditions like pneumonia, pulmonary embolism, or chronic respiratory disease can also cause chest discomfort. Symptoms may range from mild pressure to sharp, stabbing pain, often worsening with physical activity or deep breathing. If chest pain is accompanied by shortness of breath, dizziness, nausea, or sweating, seek emergency medical attention immediately, as it could indicate a serious cardiac or respiratory condition. To support heart and lung health, maintain a balanced diet, stay physically active, avoid smoking, and manage stress levels. Regular medical checkups are essential for early detection and prevention. 7. Dizziness and poor coordination. Have you ever felt lightheaded, unsteady, or like the room is spinning? Dizziness and poor coordination can occur when the brain and inner ear don't receive enough oxygen, affecting balance and cognitive function. This can be triggered by low blood oxygen levels due to anemia, lung disease, poor circulation, or low blood pressure. When oxygen supply is insufficient, the brain struggles to function properly, leading to dizziness, blurred vision, difficulty concentrating, or even fainting. In severe cases, lack of oxygen can impair motor control, making simple tasks difficult and increasing the risk of falls. To prevent these symptoms, ensure proper hydration, maintain healthy blood circulation, and practice deep breathing techniques. However, if dizziness is frequent, prolonged, or accompanied by chest pain, confusion, or weakness, seek medical attention immediately, as it may indicate a more serious underlying condition like stroke, heart disease, or respiratory failure. 8. Confusion and memory problems. Do you ever struggle to think clearly, feel disoriented, or forget simple things? Confusion and memory problems can be a sign that your brain isn't getting enough oxygen, which is essential for cognitive function. Conditions like chronic lung disease, heart disorders, anemia, or sleep apnea can reduce oxygen supply, leading to mental fog, difficulty concentrating, and even short-term memory loss. When oxygen levels drop, brain cells struggle to communicate efficiently, which may cause slow thinking, trouble finding words, or difficulty making decisions. In severe cases, prolonged oxygen deprivation can increase the risk of neurological damage or dementia. To support brain health, ensure adequate hydration, regular exercise, and a nutrient-rich diet. However, if confusion appears suddenly or worsens over time, especially with shortness of breath, dizziness, or blue-tinted skin, seek immediate medical attention, as it may indicate a serious condition requiring urgent treatment. 9. Increased heart rate, tachycardia. Have you noticed your heart racing even when you're not exerting yourself? Increased heart rate tachycardia can occur when the body tries to compensate for low oxygen levels by pumping blood faster to deliver more oxygen to vital organs. This response is common in conditions like anemia, lung disease, heart failure, or severe infections. When oxygen is insufficient, the heart works harder to meet the body's demands, causing an elevated heart rate, palpitations, dizziness, and fatigue. Tachycardia can also increase the risk of arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, which can be dangerous if left untreated. To manage this, ensure you are maintaining a healthy lifestyle with balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and proper hydration. If your heart rate remains elevated or is accompanied by chest pain, shortness of breath, or fainting, seek medical attention promptly to address potential underlying conditions like heart disease or respiratory issues. 10. Excessive sweating, cold, clammy skin. Have you ever experienced excessive sweating, especially when you're not physically active? Cold, clammy skin can be a sign that your body is struggling with low oxygen levels. When oxygen is insufficient, the body activates its stress response, causing sweating, rapid heartbeat, and cold extremities as it attempts to improve circulation and oxygen supply. This often occurs with conditions like severe lung disease, anemia, or shock. Excessive sweating may also be triggered by hyperventilation, which can occur when the body tries to increase oxygen intake. Along with sweating, you may feel dizzy, weak, or nauseous. If you experience sudden or persistent sweating, especially with chest pain, shortness of breath, or confusion, it's important to seek medical attention immediately. These symptoms could indicate a serious underlying issue like heart failure or respiratory distress, which requires prompt treatment. If you notice any of the symptoms discussed, it's crucial not to ignore them. Low oxygen levels in the blood can have serious consequences for your health, affecting vital organs like the brain and heart. If you experience signs like shortness of breath, dizziness, chest pain, or confusion, it's important to seek medical attention promptly. Early detection can help prevent complications and improve outcomes. In the meantime, you can support your body by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and avoiding smoking. It's also essential to manage underlying conditions like heart disease, lung disorders, or anemia that may contribute to oxygen deprivation. Remember, your health is a priority. Consult a healthcare professional if you're concerned about any symptoms to get the appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Taking action early can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family to help spread the word about the importance of recognizing low oxygen levels and maintaining good health. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on health, wellness, and nutrition. By subscribing, you'll get access to more valuable tips and information that can improve your well-being. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our upcoming videos. Stay healthy and take care.